A production customer support resolution agent. We will build a whole stack: scope tools, a code-enforced policy hook, clean escalation, and a reliability plane, all lit at once. A customer sends a request. It enters the agent loop, the L1 model wrapped in L3 orchestration that calls, inspects stop reason, runs a tool, and repeats. We attach exactly 3 tools: lookup order, process refund, and escalate inside a dash scope ring. Give the agent only what it needs. Expand process refund. The description says, issue a refund, do not exceed the $500 cap, return a structured error if over. Input schema and error shape are explicit. The description is the contract. $80 refund. The loop calls lookup order, then process refund within the cap, money moves, end turn, green check. When the model cooperates, the loop just works. We drop a pre-tool use hook on the path into process refund, cap $500, enforced in code. The policy does not live in the prompt. It lives where it cannot be argued with. Adversarial $4,000 right now, furious. The model emits process refund of $4,000. It hits the gate, blocked. A structured policy error returns. The model adapts, proposes a compliant 500 plus escalation. Code held the line. From the loop, a clean exit to the human queue. Escalate on policy, complexity, risk, or explicit request, never on sentiment alone. A small structured summary rides the arrow: who, what, tried, blocked. The reliability plane. Pin case facts, account order plan at the top of context. Prune verbose tool outputs, and a logging sync captures 3 streams: stop reason, tool calls, and hook blocks. This is how you debug agents in production. Pull back, the full stack assembled: scope tools, a contract per tool, a code-enforced policy hook, structured errors, clean escalation, pinned context, and logging, guarded at every layer. Same rigor, more agents, a multi-agent research system, next.